Hello, Excellence family. It's Danny Barnes, Director of Agent Relations, and I'm here with Madeline King with Excellence Mortgage. Hope everybody's doing great. Had a good weekend. Today, she's going to cover a program that's back, 100% conventional financing. So I'm going to turn it over to you. How you doing, Madeline?
I'm doing great, Danny. It's good to see you. Hello, Excellence family. Yes, we want to talk today about the 100% financing. We've touched on this in the past with a couple of FHA programs, but this one is actually a conventional product. It is a 100% financing, and the way that that works, it'll give you two loans, a 80% value on your first and a 20% loan to value on the second, which totals your 80% or 100% financing. And it still allows for a 6% seller contribution, excuse me, a 3% or a 6%, because we actually have an 80% on the first. So that's really well, because those are conventional guidelines. So we're happy to announce that this program is back. It is going to help a lot of those borrowers who are just short of being able to come up with a down payment. It's available for first-time home buyers. It's allowable with a full duck program, obviously, and a bank statement transaction. So if you don't, can't use your tax returns for whatever reason, we can also do it verifying income with bank statements. So that's a huge advantage as well. It also works with wage earners or self-employed. And that's a huge advantage as well. And you only need to be self-employed for 3 years. So it's not like you have to have a 5-year self-employment like in some other cases. So we're really happy to have this program back, and it's going to be able to help a lot of borrowers back into buying a home with no money down.
Does it mention a credit score?
It does. It has to have a 700 credit score. Mm-hmm. And we see a lot of that, especially with buyers where they have a lot of great credit history. They're just short on their cash to close. So when we would typically send them to a 3% down, where that could be, $11,000, $12,000, $13,000, we can save them that money and do a first and a second. And the beauty of this is, because it's considered a purchase money, whenever you decide that if you wanted to refinance, it wouldn't even be considered a cash out, because you would have it as all first money purchase, and it would give you benefits when you decided to refinance later in the future to combine those two mortgages if you wanted to. So
that's great that it's conventional, because that's the big thing everybody's running into right now. Sellers don't want to take FHA or VA.
Very good point. Yes, yes. The advantage is that it is a conventional product. So.
And that's all they're going to see. It's conventional. So that's going to help our agents out big time.
Mm-hmm. So we're excited about having that program back. And we're really looking forward to being able to help those who, like I said, are just a little bit short. They either have the down payment or the cash for closing costs. And this way we can take care of that for them.
That's awesome. And we were talking earlier before we started taping this. I'm going to try to work up a flyer for everybody for social media to share. So we'll have that in the works soon. And then other than that, anything else you want to add? That's good news.
Yeah, that's good news. We are happy to report that, lenders are not quite as overwhelmed anymore. So files are closing a lot quicker these days. And we're very happy to report on that. And we also are getting a lot of great feedback with the bank statement programs. We have a lot of programs for that out right now. And because of last year and the COVID, a lot of the programs, a lot of borrowers are using that more often. And we have really good products for that as well. So we're just, really excited about this 100% as well.
Yeah, that's great. All right. Well, thanks for taking your time out of your busy day. And everybody, thanks for tuning in, and you'll see us in a couple more weeks. And as always, together moving forward. Thanks, Madeline.
Thank you, Danny. Have a great week.
You too.